Hi everyone, I'm meteorologist Rusty Dawkins, and a little bit of an interesting thing has happened. A lot of the city has lost power, including our studio for KNOP. So what does that mean? It means we don't have any news. It also means you are going to get me live for the next 20, maybe 30 minutes. We'll see how long I can go. But what we are looking at right now is a live shot at the storm that just rolled through North Platte. Now there's still a lot of rain, a lot of heavy rain, a lot of hail, a lot of lightning, which hopefully we'll see. I think we just saw a bolt of lightning there just a little bit ago. There's some right there. So a lot of, still a severe thunderstorm watch in place until midnight, and that has been extended. It does include a couple of new counties. It includes Frontier, Gosper, and Phelps County, and that goes until midnight. So here's what's going on right now, and bear with me. We've got a lot of time to kill here. We've got 20 to 30 minutes, so I may start to repeat myself. I may start to say some things you've already heard. I will be doing that in case people are joining us throughout the show. So here we go. We'll see how long I can go. But we do have a line of storms that has been rolling through Lincoln County and Custer County, now headed towards Frontier, Gosper, and Phelps County. Severe thunderstorm warning that goes until 9:30, so another half hour left on that. We have quite a few pictures that I'm going to show you. I had to throw this together very quickly, so those who sent them in, thank you. I wasn't able to write down the name, so I will try to give you some accolades later. But right now, I just appreciate everybody that was able to send in some pictures, which I'll get to first shortly. Large severe thunderstorm watch goes until midnight tonight, but of course, doesn't look like much is going to happen to the north. There are a few storms rolling through Cherry County right now, but bulk of these counties are clear right now of any storm activity. But this is all moving to the south. Now we did, if you were watching a couple of those cut-ins, we had a little bit of an issue where the radar stopped responding, and you'll kind of notice it here. Watch what happens right about there. It just kind of catches up with itself. We had some bugs in the system, if you will, outside of our situation, and everything looks like it's righted itself. But this line of storms has been rolling through, and some of the information that we've been getting in from the National Weather Service, 1 to 2 inch diameter hail has been reported. Now, from the National Weather Service, power is out in the eastern part of North Platte. Barricades were blown on 4th and Jeffers. Reports of large tree limbs down at Pearson Road, and that's west of North Platte. Also 8 miles southwest of North Platte in Lincoln County, 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. We still have that severe thunderstorm warning for Custer and Lincoln County until 9:30, and we did have a report of a 65-mile-per-hour wind gust at 8:25. That was at the National Weather Service out of North Platte. So lots of things going on right now. We also have the severe thunderstorm watch that goes until midnight. And let's see any other information coming in from the National Weather Service. This report of a severe weather wind gust southwest, 8 miles southwest of North Platte. That was not too long ago. That was at 8:48, I believe. So let's go through this a couple of different ways. We've got a lot of graphics here, a lot of things we can look at. This is Storm Tracker. This is our level 2 radar. Notice the storm has really pushed through the North Platte area. Still west of North Platte, though. One little storm there that still might have a little bit of hail with it. But this is the bulk. You can see it even has a little bit of a bend to it here. It looks like it's trying to bow out, if you will. And if that happens, well, you're going to start to see 60 and 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Ton of lightning, just a ton of lightning. In fact, just this area right here, over the last 20 minutes, 156 lightning strikes. So that's a lot of lightning strikes over the last 20 minutes or so. And there's some over here towards southwestern Custer County and northwestern Dawson County. But this severe thunderstorm warning, kind of a wacky looking severe thunderstorm warning, but it's for two parts of the storm. This bowing part right here and this bowing part right here. So wind pushing through that one, wind pushing through this one, but this one has had hail. A lot of hail associated with it. So 1 to 2 inch diameter hail, golf ball size hail, has been reported in many spots. So a lot going on there. So we'll zoom in just a little bit and kind of show you that North Platte, for all intents and purposes, kind of in the clear right now from this anyway, but still between Sutherland and North Platte, we do see that going on. Brady seeing some heavy rain. Looks like Gothenburg probably going to get hit here shortly. Between Callaway and Gothenburg, that line of storms is pushing to the south and southeast fairly quickly. So what's going on? Well, we've had this slight risk in place since this morning, and this is it's shrunken, but it's basically the size of the severe thunderstorm watch. So I think now that the sun is starting to go back down, these storms should lose their strength, and but there's still that chance for severe weather. Obviously, it's happening right now. Then as we head through tomorrow, all is quiet. We get a quiet day. We get a sunny day. We're going to see temperatures pretty close to 90 degrees, and but quiet, so we'll be able to clean up. I know there's a lot of damage out there. And then Saturday, this is marginal. This is on the very left side. This is the smallest scale. This means isolated storms could happen on the severe side. It's not even close to enhanced, moderate, or a high risk, but it's a marginal risk. So there is going to be a chance for more storms on Saturday, especially from North Platte north and west. So that's something we'll be keeping a close eye on. What do we have? Let's see. I'm going to go back to the radar loop. And then, again, 3 counties have been added to that severe thunderstorm watch, and that goes until midnight tonight. Here's a little bit wider look at all of the showers and thunderstorms. A couple of more storms up towards Valentine and Ainsworth this severe thunderstorm warning, and everything is pushing to the south and to the southeast. Here's the severe thunderstorm watch. Again, these 3 counties have been added, and they may continue to add as the evening progresses. That's what's been happening. Frontier County was added not too long ago, and then we did have Hayes, Frontier, and Gosper, but Dawson County, was added before those other 3 counties. Severe thunderstorm warning goes until 9:30, and that's how long I'm going to try to stay on, which is another 20 or 25 minutes away. So we'll see what happens. But we still have some interesting pictures to show you. First, storm reports. Getting some reports here. Got some hail. This is damaging wind right here. Some hail reports, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one, I believe, was hen egg, this 2-inch in diameter, which is roughly the size of an egg. That was reported 15 miles north of North Platte. So quite a few hail reports, 4 of them, wind gusts, 3 reports, and wind damage, 2 reports. And it's early. We're still getting reports coming in from the National Weather Service and from viewers. Here's the radar loop over the last 3 hours, and this storm just barreled through.